everyone. Today we received a package from Mandaue City, care of May Anyi, and we will be unboxing it today. So this is the box that I'm talking about. And by the way, if you don't know me yet, my name is Margrette and I'm from now Argao, Cebu. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. And if you're watching this from Facebook, please do like and follow this page as well. So I was sent a box for the Experience Mandaue, My Tatak Mandaue Experience. So this is a huge box. I think this is a 4 kilogram box from all the way from Mandaue City. Thank you so much, May Ani, for sending this through LBC. And so I'll be showing the products to you again one by one, but there's a video which will be playing here at the top part. Nagitag-sa-tagsa na po siya. Okay, so it's going to be an aerial view of the box. So here I am again unboxing it, and when I opened the box earlier, I saw a Tatak Mandaue catalog. This is a 2020 version. It's a quick guide to homegrown Mandaue products and services. And here, first, Bidangs, of course, they're famous for their masarial. Nutritious, I think they sent their pulveron. And what else? Well, a lot of delicacies here. They also mentioned the phone numbers, the address, and the Facebook pages of the businesses. So I hope you can get a copy of this from Mandaue Investment Promotions Action Center. That's MIPAC. Thank you so much for sending this box to me. I really appreciate it, especially my sons. They actually love the products. So you might be hearing background noises because, of course, I live with other people here in the neighborhood. So again, this is a catalog 2020 version, and it has a lot of products and businesses inside with their phone numbers, address, and their websites. And next is the Choose Mandaue Mission Vision with their map and their history and culture. They included it in the box. And a map of Mandaue City. If you didn't know, if you're going to Lapu-Lapu City, you really need to pass by Mandaue. So, mo ni ilhang mapa, guys. Right. And let's proceed to the product. So, this isn't in any particular order, ha? Depende rin is nabunutan. So, first product I have here is from Pro Food, and Cebu is famous for dried mangoes. Very sweet Cebu mango. So they dried it up and they have this in this pack. I don't really have the prices of these products, but here I am showcasing what they sent us. So dried mangoes. This is a ripe mango, I believe. Yeah, the yellow one. There's also a green mango. Here you go, the dried green mango. So you can choose either the yellow or the green, the ripe or the unripe mangoes, dried ones. Okay, what else is in the box? We also have dried mango tamarind balls. I haven't really tasted everything here. I'm just going to show them to you one by one. But I have tasted the ripe mango, dried ripe mango. I haven't tasted the green mango yet. So, muna siya ikatulo. Super crunch. I never really thought that Cebu produced this one, especially Mandaue. So, it was manufactured in Mandaue City in Pri Food Corporation. The green variant is Kiddy's favorite. So, paborito po ni pagkabata. This actually came in small sizes before, but now they have the big one. So, nindot kayo. And then, medyo bugat siya, guys. Wa ko ga-expect nagipadadaan mig usa ka kilo na 7D mango puree sweetened. Nara. So, cut a corner of the aluminum foil bag. Pour contents into a glass or a pitcher to no more than 1/5 3 times as much as ice water. So, this is concentrated, so you really need to add water and ice. 7D. This brand is also famous for their for their dried mangoes. There you go. 7D. Thank you for this. Next is Chef's Table. Chef's Table, their phone numbers here. I don't really know what this is. So I'm gonna open this up because I don't know what the product is inside. I think this is a brownie. So again, this is the box and nagkuha na kog isa sa sulod. Yeah, a brownie. Very espeso. Lamig guys. Thank you for that Chef's Table and also Super Delights from Fry Food gihapon. So butterscotch bites from Super Delights with real caramel chips. This is a 180-gram pack. Serving size 3 times 6, so there's around 15 pieces. I hope so. Okay. Daghang gabay get the snacks today. So there's another one from Philippine brand Preserved Fruits. Papaya. Okay. So daghan sila na sila ripe mango, green mango, and then they also have papaya and also tamarind. Tagay. So I haven't tasted this before, but I think this somehow similar to the usual snacks I had in my elementary days. Tagay corn snacks. Thank you, Fry Food. And Yip Yap. I've tasted this before. Yip Yap. Okay, I've tasted this before. Yip Yap. Sweet corn flavor. Nara. Alright. Next. Squid bites. Kani. Maudo di akong kanang excited ay kumutilaw ani. I actually have eaten a lot of squid snacks before, but I haven't tasted ones from Baker's Mill. Iyang brand. So, excited. I'm gonna be tasting this later on. Kani, next. Polvoron Cookies and Cream from Feb 20 Enterprises. Mandaue is nutritious. Okay, so Polvoron siya with cookies and cream flavor. Na, ubay-ubay jud ang mga tamis ani guys. Naapay brownie scotch. So it's a brownie and butterscotch in one from Super Delights. Fry Food gihapon siya na product. There you go. Thank you for this. And hindi mawa nadidang's masarial. Asus akong papa. I remember my father always buying this every weekend. Kanidyo siya na variant. This I have seen just today, but my father always buys this one. Favorite ni Papa. Didams ka naman. My Papa is in Cebu City. And then another dried mango. Still ripe ni siya. So there are a lot of tricycles here in Argao. So muna pag-iwan siya na to siya kay medyo banda. Okay, so still dried mangoes but in a different packaging. Thank you, Kaayo. And they also sent us a very cute bag. It's native. I'm not really sure what the material is. Abaka ba ni siya? But I love it. It's so native. And what's inside are the sweet memories of Cebu. So ang sud ani niya, ubay-ubay ganina, pero ako nang gipangkuha ang uban. Inside of the bag were Baker's Mill squid flakes, squid bites, tamarind balls, Cebu mango balls, dried papaya, mango chips, mango slice, otap cinnamon, and the Philippine brand green mango. Can be excited kay kumukaon na ni guys. My gosh. Baker's Mill baked squid flakes. Kani murag wa pa ko katilaw ani niya. I will be tasting that later on. And then also the otap. Famous otap of Cebu. We have other brands, but of course, Baker's Mill cinnamon otap. Wa po katilaw og cinnamon flavored otap. So na siya sprinkles na cinnamon. Excited to taste this as well. And the other 70 products. So of course, a while ago I showed you the 70 mango puree, the sweetened juice. So we still have other 70 products here. This is the 70 dried mangoes and pineapple mix. So, manga o pinya in 1 pack from 7D. And also, dried mango rind. So, lain-lain o klase guys, na sila dried mangoes lang in 1 pack, na sila tamarind lang in 1 pack, but they also have mango plus tamarind in 1 pack. So, the mango rind. So, thank you so much kayo, no? MIPAC. That's Mandaue Investment Promotions Action Center, MIPAC. Thank you so much for sending us all these food products here sa Argao, and I'm really excited to eat them with my family. Guys, please do support Mandaue City products. If pumukatilaw atong akong gipakita ninyo, don't hesitate to contact MIPAC or the brands that I mentioned, katong Baker's Mill, Pro Food, and Didang's.
Yes, Mama, yes.
You like it? Do you like it? What are you eating? Wow. Do you like it? Wow. Nga unta guys, mo din akong kanang excited kay kumutilaw. Squid flakes from Baker's Mill. You should try this one. So inside the box there were 2 packs of this. And daghan siya sulod. I'm excited to taste all of the products that they sent me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you support my channel by subscribing below, tapping that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. And if you're watching from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow this page as well. Thank you so much once again, May Ani, for sending us this product. Thank you so much for trusting Margrette Vlogs. I love you all, and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye, lovies!